Welcome to the greytHR How-To video series. In this video, we will talk about how to view and download employees' payroll differences from your greytHR account. Payroll can differ from one pay period to another due to reasons such as leaves, overtime, and other variables. The Payroll Differences page in the greytHR admin portal helps you to know the differences in the current month's and previous month's salaries of all employees. In this video, you will learn how to view and download employees' payroll difference report for the selected months. From your greytHR admin portal, navigate to the Payroll module, under Verify, and click on Payroll Differences. On this page, from the Payroll Group drop-down list, select any one of the required component. Click here to choose a report as per your requirements. Then click on Options. Select the required months from the Payroll 1 and Payroll 2 drop-downs. Also select these checkboxes and then click on Process. You will view the list as per the report type you have selected along with the salary difference for the selected months. Also, you can click Item-wise report or Employee-wise report or Consolidated report to download the salary difference report as per your requirements. I hope this video gave you insights on how to view and download your employees' payroll differences over 2 months. With that, we come to an end. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get updates about our upcoming videos.